BFAM is here! BFAM is here! Hey everybody, we're back again. Today we have something in from Work Sharp Culinary, another unboxing for you coming right at you. Work Sharp Culinary sent us some of these models. As you know, we are sending those out directly to you every 2 months or so, based on whether you guys have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, I'm sorry, we're not sending it. But, and that will be randomly selected, of course. Obviously, we only have a few of these things. Here with Work Sharp Culinary products, as you know, we are giving these away, right? This happens to be the E5 model, my unit, the unit I love, right? Why don't we start with an unboxing? So show you the front of the unit. When you get it, you'll see this nice design, nice little light gray, dark gray unit on the box on the outside. Shows you a picture of the micro forging technology and the belt itself that comes with it, and you have the angle that comes with it, which happens to be 20, and it also comes with an M5 inside the box. So here's the front of the unit, here's the front of the box, here's the side. Guess what this is? The rear and the other side. Why don't we slide it on out and see what it looks like? Come on, come on, come on. Of course this thing doesn't work. There it is. Come on out. Okay. Here's the nicely designed box. This is what the product looks like when it comes in there. You get your little manual, directions on how to use it, how to use the honer, ceramic honer, little survey card. They want to know all about your input on their product. They're also on Facebook, as you would well guess. And let's just take the unit out. I'm making a mess here. We have our device, we have our ceramic blade, our sharpener, our honer, we have the handle, stick that on the side there, and we have a power adapter, an empty box basically. All product goes to the side. So you can tell it's got little protective things so you can keep it out and keep it dust free. If you take that little jacket off, you can see the front of the unit. As you can tell, it's pretty nice looking, reasonable to keep out on your counter. I don't know about you, but I really don't like keeping anything out that doesn't look good in my kitchen. So that's why I went with this particular product over a lot of them, besides the fact that it really works really well, right? Here's a little quick demo on it. Here's the front of it, here's the side. The rear, as you can see over here, that's where you plug in the actual power adapter, right in. And the other side, this is the plate itself that has the angles on it that are set. It comes with a 20-degree unit attached, and should you need to change the belt, you do that and push this down, and that allows the belt to come out, become free. Right? In the front, you have a power cord, a power switch level, which is programmed. You can press it once to get to level 1, level 2, and level 3, which is pretty cool. They're just longer programs, and they change the belt speed. Right? So you start with, I personally, when you get a new set or you get a knife that you haven't used on this particular device, you're going to want to start with level 3. You may need to do 2 passes, and then you take your honer and you attach it, and you do your nice honing at the angle that's built in already. It just reminds you what that angle is supposed to be.